Good morning, Mariam Kola. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mariam. Good morning, Ayat. Good morning, Amna.
I was the first one.
Yes,
Good morning,
beta.
Mariam. Good morning, Ayat. Good morning.
Good morning, Khadija.
Amna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, Ayat. Yes.
Mariam, I like your background very much.
Thank you. Ma'am,
Yes, Mariam. Tell me.
I was the first one to join. Amna was the second. Ayat was the third. You were the fourth. And Khadija
Okay.
was the fifth.
Very good. Very good. So I think that we all one, two, 4, 5 of us have joined before time. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how's the weather around your place?
Very cold.
Very cold. Where do you stay, Mariam? That it is very cold.
Oh,
Yes, Mariam.
Mumbai. Okay.
Mumbai. Where in Mumbai?
What are the schools?
Where in Mumbai, Mariam? That it is very cold there. Yes.
Wait, why can you in contact Sidra and Dala can we and Sidra play?
Okay. What about yes, yes,
It's
Mariam.
very cold in my place in Mumbai. Today is December, so start.
Okay, so Amna, Ayat, are you all feeling cold these days?
Yes, ma'am. I feel so cold.
So cold. Oh. What about Khadija and Asma? How's the weather there? Yes, Khadija and Asma.
Cold.
Yes,
It's a
beta.
bit cold and sunny.
It is
Yes.
so cold.
It's so
It's
cold,
cold
not
and
today.
sunny.
Oh,
Yes,
so
it's
cold.
very cold.
Okay, it's so cold.
Ma'am, can you? Very cold.
A little bit sunny, but still it's cold today, right? Even I am feeling very cold.
Ma'am, 25 degrees is wind and wind play.
Yes, and then your vacation will start, and before vacation we will play a very interesting game throughout the class. No studying and only playing one day.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Yes, Mariam, beta, tell me.
I know some places which some students stay in theory class.
Okay.
I know where Ayat stays and Khatija and Ahmad Noor Wayat.
Okay, so all 4 of you stay at one place. Is it so?
No, ma'am. Okay, I'll stop and no, ma'am. Ayat stays in Washi. Khatija stays in Pune and Ahmad Noor Wayat stays in Gujarat.
Okay, and where do you stay? Mumbai.
Vanikar Enclave in Mumbai.
Where, beta? Where in Mumbai?
Asia, Mumbai. Vashi, Mumbai. Not
Okay.
in Vashi, Mumbai.
Washi, Mumbai. Okay. Okay. So today we will study.
Ahmad Noor Wayat and Khatija stay out of Mumbai.
Okay, they stay out of Mumbai. No worries. We all will meet one day. Okay.
But I can meet Khatija when she gives me my address.
Okay, okay.
And
What
I
we
can
will
give
do
her
is
my best.
one day all will plan together to meet.
Ma'am.
Okay.
You stay very far.
Ma'am, I written the date.
Go far than
Written the
Khadija
date?
and Ahmed
See, Amna is so quick. Amna has already written date. Amna, can you tell us what subject we are going to study today?
Yes.
Amna, can you tell us
Science.
what sub? Very good. So quickly, everybody, take out your science notebook.
Favorite science.
Okay, Amna is so quick that she has already written today's date on her notebook. Everybody, quickly take out your
Ma'am.
notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, tell me.
Can we not write today?
Okay, we will write only one line, and rest you don't need to write anything. Only one line for today, and I will be showing you something today. Okay, so you will see something today, and you will write just one line. Okay, not now. We don't need to write now. We will write it later on. Okay, so just wait. Hold on. Just take out your notebook. Do not take any new page.
Plants.
Yes, do not take any new page. The page in which where we were writing in the last class, just you will continue in that page only. Okay, just put today's date. Wherever you are writing, just put today's date. Okay. Just okay. I'm so sorry.
Other page.
Okay, if your note, if that sheet is occupied, if that page is full, you can take the next fresh page. Okay, but if any space is left out, do not waste the page. Okay. Okay. So quickly write today's date, and then I will move on to the chapter. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta, tell
wait,
me.
ma'am, wait. Please, can you wait?
Waiting, my dear, waiting.
Ma'am, can you write the date and title?
Title. Okay. So we are going to learn today about seeds. How seeds grow. How
Ma'am, I
seeds
already
grow
know
and
how
become
seeds
plants.
grow.
Yes.
I know.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can explain.
Just a moment, beta. I'm giving you a chance. Just
Ma'am,
moment.
after can I also?
Yeah, sure. Why not? One by one, everyone can speak. Today we will learn about seeds. So I'm muting everyone, and you can raise your hand. I will come to you one by one. Let me understand what you know about seeds. How does seeds grow and become plants? Mariam Gola, starting from you, unmute. Coming to each one of you one by one. I'm just.
Ma'am, can I explain?
Yeah, sure, beta. Start.
First, we dig it down in the soil. Then we put our seeds. Then we water them. After days, 10 days or 8 days, the seeds shed out. And then the plant root comes out of it. It grows up and becomes into a flower. Or if you want to make a tree, you can even make a tree.
Very well explained, Mariam. Let me come to Ayat unmute. Tell me, beta, what do you want to say? Oh, wow, Mariam Sheikh, a very beautiful flower you're having. Coming to you, Mariam Sheikh, beta. Yes, Ayat.
Can I go washroom?
Okay, beta. Okay, now Mariam Sheikh, unmute and tell me, what do you know about seeds, beta? How seeds grow? Any idea? Any idea? Coming, Amna.
First, we put them inside the soil.
Good.
Then the second day, we put some water.
Hmm.
then it starts to grow.
Yes, slowly it is some tiny plants come out, and then slowly it becomes big. It's good, grows, and one day it gives you flower, and it becomes a flowering plant. Am I right, Mariam Sheikh?
Yes.
Okay, let me come to Asma. Okay, Amna was waiting. Coming to you, Asma. Let me come to Amna. Unmute, beta.
Yes.
Yes, Amna, beta. Tell me.
I written the topic.
Okay, you have written the topic also. Okay. Amna, do you have any idea how seeds grow into the plants?
No.
No. Okay, no problem. Let me ask to any other. Okay. Khadija, unmute. Khadija, can you tell me, beta? Any idea if you're
ma'am.
having? Any idea, Khadija, if you're having how seeds grow into a flowering plant?
Ma'am, first you put the seed in the soil. When
Very
you
good.
water it,
Yes.
it sprouts roots. Then it
Excellent.
grows stems. Then gradually it grows thicker and stronger leaves and stems. Then
Excellent.
it grows flowers to pollinate its fruits.
Very well explained, Khadija. Too good. Now let me come to Asma. Unmute, beta. You were raising your hand. Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, after you put the seed in the soil,
Yes.
when you put water in it, it starts to grow slowly.
Very
First,
good.
the roots come,
Excellent.
then the stem comes, and the
Excellent.
leaf comes, and then the
Beautiful.
flower comes, and that's how the
Beautiful.
seed grows.
Beautiful. Very well explained, Asma. Very well explained, beta. Anybody else would like to explain how seeds grow? Yes, Rufeda, Ahmed Nurwayar, and Kabir. Please put on your video, dear. Rufeda, Ahmed Nurwayar, and Kabir. Please put on your video, beta. Everybody, please put on your video. Yes, Kabir, unmute. Would you like to try, Kabir? And tell me, how the seeds grow? Any idea, Kabir? Any idea if you're having? Yes, Rufeda, very good. Kabir, any idea if you're having how the seeds grow?
Ma'am, I am thinking.
Come again, beta.
Ma'am, I am thinking.
Thinking. Very good. You need to think before you speak anything. Very good, Kabir. Okay, think I'm coming back to you. Till then, let me come to Asya. Unmute, beta. And can you tell me how does seeds grow? Yes, beta, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you have any idea, Asya, how does seeds grow and then it gradually becomes a plant and gives you then flowers, then fruits?
First, we put in seed
Yes.
in the soil, then water it,
Very good.
then it grows.
Very good. And gradually it grows, its stems come out, then some small leaves come out. Slowly it becomes big, it gives flowers, and then one day it gives you fruits. If that seed is of fruit, then it will give you fruits or any other flower. Right, Asya? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, right.
Now, very good. Okay, next, let me come to Ahmed Nurwayed. Quickly unmute and can you explain me quickly. How does seeds grow?
Root.
Yes, tell me, beta.
Roots.
Yes, slowly for it changes into roots. Then stems come out, then slowly some leaves, and then it grows, it becomes taller and taller, and then it becomes a plant. Okay. Rufeda, unmute beta, tell me, did you understand how seeds grow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Anybody left? Anybody left? Okay. Okay, so now let me take you through the book. I will be showing you seeds of one plant that grows and becomes the tall and tall and taller. Look here, everybody on the screen. Have a look on the screen, beta, everybody. Can you see here on the screen? You can show me thumbs up. I'll get to know if you can see the screen. Mariam, Kabir, Ahmed, Nurwaid, Rufeda, Khadija, you can show me thumbs up if you can see the screen. Very good, Kabir, Ahmed, Nurwaid. What about Tawhid, Mariam Gola? If you can see the screen, you can show me thumbs up. Unmute, Mariam.
Ma'am, it comes 4 meters, it grows.
Yes. Yes, Asman, mute.
Ma'am, I love sunflower seeds.
Very good. Then you might.
Eat them.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Unmute.
I ate
Yes.
them at my cousin's house.
Okay. Very good, Asma. Very good. Okay. Okay. Mariam Sheikh, unmute. Coming to you, Asya.
Ma'am, I'm saying that I've seen a real sunflower.
You've seen
It
a
was
real
big, very big.
sunflower. Very good. Then you might
Yeah.
have noticed that it's a when a fully grown sunflower, its stem is very, very tall. Am I right, Mariam?
Yes, it was.
Okay, very good that you noticed it. Asya, unmute and tell me, beta, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, page number what?
Okay, beta, it's page number 86.
Ma'am, not there.
Are you in the chapter of growing plants, beta?
Ma'am.
Okay, so let me take you through this. Yes, Asya, very good. Yes, Asya, turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page. Probably the next to next page, Asya. Don't go before, beta. You are in the right chapter. Right chapter. That chapter only, just turn the page and move back. Yes. Just one page after that. Coming, Asma. Just one page after that. Yes. Yes, beta. Somewhere here. See, you are here only. Got it? Okay. Yes, Asma, unmute. Unmute.
Ma'am, I've seen a sunflower, but a baby sunflower.
Okay, very good. So as you all, unmute Asma.
If you want to grow a plant, then you have to take a lot of care of it.
Yes, yes. So now everybody look here on the screen. Do not worry about the page. It's just I'm showing you a flower. Okay, beta. So look here on the screen just once, and then I will move on to make you write something. Okay. So I'm just explaining you that whenever you take any seed, okay, just do that experiment. I will share it on Google Classroom how you do that experiment. It is also mentioned in your book, but I will share it separately on Google Classroom. Okay. So how do seeds grow into plants? What we do is we take a seed. Okay. Suppose if I talk about mango seeds, you have seen mango fruit that grows on a mango tree, but how does it comes? From where it becomes a big fruit? From where it becomes? So what happens? We put a seed of mango on the soil, in the soil, and then we just wait. I'm showing you here in the picture. Just look here, everybody. See, what we do is we take a soil, we take some soil or in a land, because mango trees are very huge and it is very strong and very huge. So we grow it in a land, not in a pot, but we grow it in a land. So what we do is we take some seeds, we spread it over the soil, and then we fill it. Yes, yes, Kabir, unmute beta.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Oh, hold on. I'm sharing it once again. Hold on. Let me know. Can you see the screen now? No. Oh. Okay, now I'm again showing you the screen. I hope you can see the screen now. Kabir, can you see it now? And everybody, can you see the screen now? You can show me thumbs up. Very good. So what happens? We take some seeds, we spread it over the soil, and then we pour water. We show that seeds, that soil where we have put some seeds, we show it sunlight, we take proper care, and then slowly comes first, and then its plant comes, a little small stem. You can see here. I'm so sorry. Yes, you can see here. We put a little seeds, and then some plants, tiny plants come out, and from there some leaves come. Then slowly its roots becomes very strong because you take proper care of that plant. And then one day it becomes a huge plant giving you a mango. Same with the sunflower. Coming, Rufeda. Same with the sunflower. See, here it is showing that we put some pebbles in the bottom of the pot. Some seeds, sunflower seeds in the bottom of the plant pot. And then we take proper care. We add some water. Then we check that pot every day. Then we need to give proper soil over it. And then after 3 to 4 days, you will see that some tiny plants are coming out. And that tiny plant one day becomes a big sunflower. So see, sunflowers, seedlings, this is called sunflower seedlings when the tiny plants come out. Yes, Rufeda, now tell me, beta.
Ma'am, I can tell you what the plants need for growing.
Tell me.
Sun, water, and some water. Water,
Yes.
then sun and sun and
For proper growing of plant, it needs proper water, sunlight, air. Am I right, Rufeda?
yes.
Very good. So let's write something on a notebook. Okay, quickly, everybody. Quickly. Let's start. Or today we'll not write anything. Let's skip. Let's skip it. Today we'll not write anything. No. Let's today pictures of seeds. How's that idea? Show me thumbs up if you like that idea. Yes, let's see some seeds. How does various type of seeds look? Okay, and you can also tell me if you have seen some seeds. So let me show you some seeds apart from just writing. Okay, next class or some other class. Okay, just let me show you. Yeah. Some network issue. Yes, Asma, unmute.
Very big plant.
Very good. From where that plant grows? Tell me.
Grow from the roots.
Yes, it grows from the
Can I
root.
show you?
Yes,
Can
why
I show
not?
you?
Yes, beta. Yasir Wahid, unmute and tell me. What do you want to say, beta?
Ma'am, look.
See, everybody. How long the stem is.
It's a bamboo tree.
Okay, it's a bamboo tree. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yasir, beta.
This one died when I did
A
not
little bit
water
late,
it.
Yasir. Everything well? Are you fine, Yasir? You joined very late today, beta.
Yes.
Okay, beta, try to join on time, Yasir. Okay, otherwise you'll miss out, no? What we studied till now. Okay, Mariam Sheikh, unmute and tell me, beta, do you want to say anything? You are raising your hand.
Ma'am, I'm saying that Yasif came a bit really late.
Yes, beta, Yasir is a bit late today. Yasir, please be on time. See, everybody was missing you. Where is Yasir? Where is Yasir? Okay, coming to...
Ma'am, I want to tell you something.
Yes, Rufeda, tell me.
Yasir was only in class only.
Yeah, come again.
Yasir while in class only.
Okay. So you saw Yasir during the class.
Yeah.
Okay, Rufeda, very good, beta. You were noticing. Very good. Okay, so everybody, did you see how seeds grow? Let me show you once again. See, there are so many seeds here. And from these seeds, only plants grow. Like, if you can see here, seeds, the pomegranate, the fruit pomegranate. Ibrahim, look here on the screen, beta. This fruit pomegranate. If you want to do an experiment, just throw some pomegranate seeds of pomegranate. When you eat pomegranate, some seeds come out, no? White seeds. Kabir, Ibrahim, Amna. When you eat pomegranate, beta, some white seeds come out, no? Am I right, Amna? Have you noticed it, Amna? Ibrahim, have you noticed it? Very good, Kabir. Ibrahim, have you noticed, beta? Whenever you eat pomegranate, one small white seeds come out. Unmute, Ibrahim.
When I was a baby, I ate it, but Nana gave it to me.
Okay.
I was supposed to eat like this. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay. You used to eat like that. Okay. Ibrahim, do you know if Ibrahim, listen to beta. If you eat pomegranate and if you throw its seeds, white seeds that come out from that pomegranate, if you throw that seeds over the soil or just put that seeds coming out from that pomegranate over the soil, okay, put it in the soil, pour little bit of water, take care of that soil, that seed someday, and after someday gradually you will see that a plant is coming out. So you can grow a pomegranate tree at your home. Slowly you can see a beautiful plant coming out. Now let me come to Tawhid, unmute. Tawhid, unmute. Coming Rufeda beta. Ahmed, unmute. Yes, Ahmed Noor, unmute. Tawhid, unmute. You can also see, Ahmed, that whenever you eat peanuts, have you ever eaten peanuts, Ahmed Noor?
Yes.
Yes, no? So if you put some peanuts, you take peanuts, okay? But whenever you eat peanuts, just save some peanuts, just take some peanuts and put it over the soil, okay? Take a pot with full of soil and put some peanuts over that, pour water, take care of that peanut someday, give it proper sunlight and air, and after some day you can see a beautiful plant coming out, and you can also gradually see some peanuts is growing. You can do that experiment at home also. Yes, Rufeda, unmute beta. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
can we also use kaju?
Yes. Why not? You can use cashew. You can use it. Even peas. Can you see here, Rufeda, green peas over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Even you can grow green peas at your home. Because what you can do is just take the peas and put it over the soil, pour water, give it proper sunlight, air and water, and after some days you notice a small plant and gradually a plant with beautiful peas coming out. So we can grow plant from seeds by giving it proper soil, proper sunlight, proper air and water. Did you get it? Did you understand? Yasir, unmute and tell me. Unmute, Yasir. Yes, tell me, beta.
I'm not. मेरे पास plants नहीं है.
Oh, then you can grow a plant at your home, no? That is what I'm telling you. You can grow a plant at your home, Yasir. Yes, and you can show us that yes, Yasir has grown a plant at his home. Wow. You don't need to go anywhere to purchase a plant or to see a plant. You can grow yourself a plant at home. Do you want to grow a plant at your home, Yasir?
मैम मेरे पास grow करने के लिए भी plant नहीं है.
Oh, you know, Yasir, to grow a plant, you don't need to have a plant. You just need to have some seeds. Some seeds.
Seeds को क्या करने का है?
You need to put some seeds in the soil. Okay, Yasir, put some seeds over the soil. Pour a little water.
Soil?
Yes, soil.
Water?
Put some seeds over the soil. Okay, pour a little water.
मैम soil मतलब क्या है?
Soil you tell is as mitti.
Yes.
Okay, we call it soil. Okay, so
Ma'am, why Yasir is talking in Hindi?
yes, Yasir is trying to understand what I am telling. Okay, so you spread everybody. Everybody will do this experiment. Okay, you take seeds.
Okay, ma'am.
Seeds. Okay, take help from your mama or papa. Everybody will do this experiment. Okay.
But ma'am, but my Abu is in Iraq.
Oh, but your mama is there, no?
Yes. And my daddy is there.
Okay, so you can take
My
help from
daddy
your
is every day doing some my daddy is every day doing plants growing. She like very
Wow.
much.
Wow. So you all can try it. Ibrahim, Khadija,
And
Tawhid,
she also
Amna.
make it also.
Very good. So you can take help from her, right? So everybody now listen to me. Kabir, Amna, Khadija, Ibrahim, Ahmed, Asya, everybody listen. Ayat, Asma, Yasir, Mariam Gola, Mariam Sheikh. What you all will have to do is nothing much. Just take some seeds, take help from your mama, okay? Take seeds, whatever available at home, okay? Take some seeds, spread it over the soil and pour some water. Don't pour a jug of water, pour a little water. Yes, Kabir, unmute beta. And then gradually you will see
Ma'am,
after
can
8 to 10 days. Yes, Kabir.
Ma'am, can we grow this?
Yes, why not?
Okay, ma'am.
You can grow it. You just put it under the soil. It's a carrot, Kabir. Am I right, Kabir? Yes. So carrots grow under the soil. It doesn't grow above the soil. Okay. So everybody listen, what you have to do is take some seeds, spread it over the soil, put little water, show that seed proper sunlight, water, air, take proper care for 1 week. And after 1 week, you will see a little plant coming out and you can show it to me. And that day you'll feel very happy and you don't need to go anywhere to see any plant. You can grow plant at yourself at your home. Okay. So will everybody do this experiment at your home? Show me thumbs up and then I will end today's session. Will everybody do this session at your home? Yasir, Asma, Mariam Gola, Kabir. Will you do this experiment at your home? Very good. Asma, Khadija, Ibrahim, Asya, Ahmed, Noor, Amna. Okay, Khadija, I got to know that you're saying yes, ma'am. Mariam, Sheikh, Tawhid. Show me thumbs up if you're going to do this experiment at your home. Very good, very good. So everybody will do this experiment at your home and you can show, yes, Mariam Gola, tell me, and you can show me that plant after a week. Tell me, Mariam Gola.
Yeah, Sir Ryan and Khadija have in the class.
Okay, they are your best friends. Okay, then you can discuss with each other what type of seeds they are taking to grow. Right? Yes, Asma, unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
can we make a class? Ma'am, which seeds do we need to make pudina plant?
Yes, Asma, come again.
Which seeds do we need to make pudina plant?
You need to grow pudina plant.
That's something you can make with your hand.
Okay, then you need to take seeds for that, beta.
I don't know which seeds.
Or if, do you have any pudina plant at your home, Asma?
Yes.
Yes, you have it, no? Just a minute, Mariam Gola. Coming, beta. Just a moment, Mariam, coming to you. Asma, what you can do is, no?
Died.
You can, okay, died. You can take roots. Take the roots of that pudina plant. Just take roots of that pudina plant. put it in the new fresh pot full of soil, and then pour water, and then this pudina plant will grow much quickly. Try it. But you need to take proper care of that plant. Yes, Mariam, tell me.
Can we make a class of a group which will show how they grow the plant?
Yes, beta, that is what I'm telling each one of you. No, you
Make a
just group.
Yes, ma'am.
Group. How we can make group, beta? Because everybody is in a group only. We all are in one group. All of us will be growing a plant. So everybody is in one group, right? We all are in one group.
Grows the plant nicely will win.
Okay, okay. But let everybody try. Let everybody try. And then, okay, then let others try, beta. Let everybody will try, okay? Okay, everybody try at your home how to grow plants, and then we'll meet in the next class. Okay. Okay. So take care. We'll meet in the next class. Okay. Mariam, Sheikh, unmute, beta. What do you want to say quickly? Tell me.
Ma'am, look, I made this.
Yeah, beta, I saw it. Very beautiful, Mariam. Very beautiful. Okay, let's end today's session. We'll meet in the next class, beta. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.